Hello and welcome back for my final more important analysis video on Tuesday 17th of October with me, which is market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at gold, and gold has rolled over. Gold, this rally that we had, this really well positioned rally actually, 6 bull candles in a row, completely seems to be turning on its head again. Strong candle to the downside yesterday, continuing to move to the downside today, testing that 1290 pivot. Now, sort of failing at 1306 yesterday, which is inside that long-term pivot of 1300 to 1310. So the questions are: is this the end of that rally? Is that the end of the bull phase? Now you look at these momentum indicators. RSI just dropping back below 50. MACD lines just sort of tailing off. Stochastics also tailing off. There are sort of big questions that the gold bulls have to answer, and yeah, this hourly chart seems to be now breaking below 1290, having been supportive for the last few sessions. It's sort of becoming sort of breaking below that level. Now 1284 I think would confirm the breakdown, 1284 being that higher reaction low on Wednesday last week, but yeah, the pressure is growing to the downside. You've got these momentum indicators on the hourly chart which are more correctively configured. Suddenly, instead of having positive momentum above neutral on the MACD lines, above 35 to 40 on the RSI on the hourly, we're now going below 30 on the hourly RSI. We're going increasingly negative on the MACD lines, and also below 20 on the stochastic. So it all is turning more corrective, and as I said, 1300 to 1310 is this long-term pivot, and sort of becoming resistance, isn't it? 1296 is today's high, but yeah, as I said, you've got this sort of, I mean, on the hourly chart, as I said, 1290 was support, but if you sort of pull that back, it's a pivot, isn't it? So breaking below 1290 near term certainly opens 1284, and a breach of that is 1279. But 1284 I think would be a confirmation of this sort of real rolling over. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.